channel where I say, share a story with Benas Kumana. So, today I'm going to talk something about happiness. In this hectic lifestyle that we have, the only thing that we really crave for is happiness. नहीं बोलते हम 2 घड़ी तो शांति से बैठने दो. मैं तो बहुत बार बोलती हूँ. I say in a day, I say a number of times. हाउसवाइफ्स होती हैं, काश हम वर्किंग होते, हमें भी वर्किंग लेडीज़ की तरह जाने मिलता. ये उनकी कितनी अच्छी लाइफ होती है, उन्हें बाहर जाने मिलता है, ऑफिस जाती हैं, खुद के खर्चे, उन्हें किसी से कुछ मांगना नहीं पड़ता. वर्किंग वुमेन, I sometimes wish I could be like a housewife. I wish I could get some time home. When we have one thing, we want the other. When we get that thing, then we want something more. काश एक बच्चा हो जाए तो बच्चे की शादी तो देखनी बनती है. बच्चे की शादी देख ली तो उसके अपने क्या होता है, पोता पोती, okay, whatever it is. So when we first we always keep thinking, when we have a child in our house, what does it happen? Are we happy? No. We have a child in the house, the first thing comes, मुझे ना इसको एक बहुत अच्छे से स्कूल में डालना है. अच्छा सा स्कूल होगा तो सब अच्छा मिलेगा, उसकी एजुकेशन अच्छी होगी, उसका भविष्य अच्छा होगा. बच्चा पढ़ लिख के बड़ा हो जाता है, जॉब पे लग जाता है. बस अब तो मेरे लड़के की एक अच्छी सी लड़की से शादी हो जाए, अच्छी लड़की घर में बहू बन के आ जाए, और क्या चाहिए हमें. हम तो खुश हो जाएंगे उतने में. बहू आ गई घर में, बस अब पोते पोती का मुंह देख ले, फिर तो हमें शांति शांति. आए हाय, पोते पोती हो गए. मैं तो अपने पोते पोती का शादी देखे बिना मरने नहीं वाली. हाँ, wants and needs never end. So there's no real definition to happiness. When we have one thing, we keep wanting the other. Whenever there is whatever we have is not sufficient to us. So on this note, I'm going to share this story with you, and let's see how the story goes. So once there was a very rich man. He had all the luxury in the world that he needed, and that's it. He had everything in the world that he wanted. He never had to crave for anything. He never had to, starve for anything. And he had a son, the one and only son. He could give him everything. बेटे को ये पसंद आया, ओके ले दिया. वो पसंद आया, ले दिया. But then he thought कि मैं अपने बेटे को सब कुछ दे रहा हूँ. My child should be aware, of the other side of the world as well. उसे पता तो होना चाहिए ना. उस रिच आदमी को लगा कि मेरे बेटे को पता होना चाहिए कि बाकी लोग अपनी लाइफ कैसे जीते हैं, कि गरीब अपनी जिंदगी कैसे बसर करता है. Things in life every time is not that easy. This is what he wanted to show to his son. So he told his son, chalo, we'll go for a trip one day. This weekend we are going for a trip. The son was very happy. Yes, dad, we are going. So the father and the son on the weekend moved out to a farm, and they went to a farmer's house, and they said, the father told the son, for another few days we will stay with this farmer over here. The basic idea that the father had in mind, he wanted his son to learn the lessons of life. He wanted to show his son how poor people struggle and live in life. He wanted to show the other side of the life to his son. So the son agreed. For him it was an adventure trip. He had never been out of his palace, luxury and a wonderful bungalow and everything. He had never been out of that. So right, coming in from a wonderful palace kind of a bungalow to a farm and staying in a little hut kind of a house with a farmer on an open farm was a very different experience for a 10-year-old child, and he enjoyed it. It seemed to be an enjoyable, adventurous trip to him. He agreed. They stayed He saw the farmer, uh, planting trees, looking after the farm, managing his cattle the little cattle that he had, managing, for the food, for day to day life and his family. And what a huge family the farmer had. He had around 12 members in the family, and they all lived in that little cooped up place. So, after this entire wonderful journey trip ended, the father asked the child, "So, how was the trip? Kaisa laga trip? Did you enjoy? How was it? And what did you learn from it?" And without letting the father even complete his question, the boy, out of excitement, said, "Wow, Dad, the trip was amazing. How lucky these people are. These people are so fortunate. I wish we had their kind of a lifestyle." Hey? This was not expected. ये क्या था भाई? Father was amazed. They are so lucky. And you finding them lucky and fortunate. You're saying you wish you had that kind of a lifestyle. The boy said, "Yes, Daddy, this is the kind of lifestyle I wish I could have." How lucky these people are. See, I'll explain you, Daddy, how and what. Okay, and the boy started explaining the father. He said, "Daddy, we have only one pet dog. They have so many animals. They have cows, they have goat, they have 2 dogs, they have so many animals. We only have one dog, Daddy. And we have only one swimming pool. But they have an endless river that goes just from the backyard. And I have just one basketball court in our bungalow and a little play garden. But they have the entire horizon to themselves. Their children can go around and play around. We are only 2 members in the family, Daddy. But they are 12 members in the family, and they can talk to each other, play with each other, share each other's problems. We can't do that, Daddy. If I tell you a problem and you can't solve it, we don't have any third person. They have 12 members in the family. We go to market to do shopping and to buy a grocery. They can, grow their own crops, and they can have their own fresh fruits and vegetables. How interesting. They don't have to spend money for that. They can, and wow, so interesting to do gardening and then have your own fruits and vegetables. The father was really shocked and amazed, at the same time happy. And he went to teach his son a lesson. He wanted to teach his son a lesson that how poor people live. But more than teaching his son a lesson, he learned a lesson that happiness is not monetary, and happiness depends on how you see things. It's not always the richness, the monetary benefits that we get in life that brings happiness to us. Happiness is all around. Our family, our friends, they are our happiness, the true joy and the true happiness that we have. All these things that we're trying to inculcate, we grumble about. And the farmer, what do you think what his happiness would be? He would keep admiring the rich man's son and wondering, काश उसका बेटे जैसा मैं भी अपने बेटे को पढ़ा लिखा सकता. But see the rich boy's happiness. He felt that they were lucky because उनको स्कूल जाने का टेंशन नहीं, होमवर्क का टेंशन नहीं, they can play around as and when they want. It's basically happiness is all about vision. It's about how we see the things, how we see the world. You see the world with problems. Father brought that child to that farmer's house to show him the problems and the difficulties a regular man would have in his life. But was shocked and amazed to see that the son found no problems and no issues in that house. He only saw the positive things. So it's on us how we see things in life. If we see things positively, there are more happier moments that we'll have in life. And if we see things, um, with trouble and all, we will have more difficult times in life. So, on that note, I wish to tell you, see the positive things in everything, and that's when happiness comes to you. So, it's on us how we see things, whether we see problems and troubles or we see the good in them. This was a short, cute, small story that I had to share with you about a rich boy and his father. If you like the story, please share it with your friends, share it with your group, and if you really liked it, give me one thumbs up, and it makes my day go up with joy and happiness as well, seeing your one thumbs up in the notification. And if you've yet not subscribed to my channel, then what are you waiting for? I'm going to bring these stories now every day. I'm going to put up a story, a motivation story on my channel from now onwards, practically every day. So you every day have one motivation story to hear in the end of the day, and sleep or wake up, whichever part of the day you have the time to see a video. Wake up or sleep with a positive note and a positive message in your mind. So like, share and subscribe my channel if you've not done yet. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell icon, because that is what is going to tell you the notification and going to notify you that I've come back to your place to share another story with you. Thank you so very much. Have a nice day. I'm enjoying my juice. You also grab something to have if you're